My husband's been waking up super early, going into the other room to take phone calls. He's being very secretive. I think he's planning a trip. Christmas came early for me this year. Cause look, I got new luggage. Yes, she's ready to go. Okay, so in cases like this, you gotta pack a little bit of everything. So long sleeves, sweaters, tees. You never know. So thank God I have this huge suitcase. I can overpack and it be okay. So in all fairness, I do know that we are going on a trip. So let me explain. We're going to Seattle for the first leg. But after that, I don't know. So because he's been very secretive and taking all these phone calls in the morning, it led me to suspect, he's got something up his sleeve. Plus, we went through the whole ordeal of getting our daughter her passport. So it's not gonna be some basic down the street trip. We're going international. I just don't know where. It's travel day. All right, gotta go wake up my daughter. Let's go. We have made it to Seattle after maybe 3 or 4 canceled Uber drives. We finally made it to the airport by the skin of our teeth, so I didn't really do any filming in the airport because we were literally, it was like a Home Alone moment when we were running through to make sure we got on the plane. So
we got there in first class.
In first class. Journey enjoyed her time in first class. Anyway, one thing I will say, Uber drivers, why are the seatbelt things like little clips not working? I had to sit without one. David had to sit without one time. Journey is good. She got her full seatbelt that was in working order, but
she got mini naps today.
I don't get what that is. I was like, how? Make sure that your seatbelt covers are working because you don't want anybody flying out the seat. That's just a safety tip. But anyway, we're here. We are at what's this? The Hyatt
Regency.
Regency,
Lake Washington.
Lake Washington, Seattle. So we're going to enjoy, eat, relax. It's snowing, so I'm gonna show baby girl her first time being in the snow. This one is an aviation geek,
Like bowling.
and he wanted to see the planes
Rouse
being
12.
built.
Oh, so that's Southwest Airlines right there. Boom, the tip. That's Southwest.
Okay.
Yeah, see the tip?
Yeah, right. Like, is it? I don't
No, but then it's not painted yet. So I'm gonna see.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's Dubai. That's Dubai Air, Southwest Airlines, and then whatever that green. We gotta figure out what that green is. That'll tell us who it's for. Bam.
Well, there you have it. He's an aviation geek, so he's going to be looking out the window and at all these planes. He's already claimed this side of the bed, so already knocked out. Vacation mode begins now.